Among the many lessons I learned from Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta is the decency of difference. Ustaarabu katika tofauti zetu za kisiasa. We can have differences, but we deal with each other decently. Inclusion, all views are important. Hata wale ambao tunaislaviana kidogo ni sawa, kwa sababu ni wa Kenya and we chose democracy. We work with them. Respect and responsibility when we are dealing with others, even those who are in other parties. Insults are not a plan, insults are not a strategy, and insults cannot take you anywhere. Sisi Jubilee hatuwezi kuwa chama cha kutusi watu, kwa sababu kiongozi wetu kwanza ametuonyesha njia ya kwenda mbele bila matusi, bila shida yoyote, kila wakati kujaribu kuweka watu pamoja. Your Excellency, in conclusion, I promise you that we will do everything as you have guided us. We will embark on a very active recruitment program, very deep and active consultations. Sio kelele, not noises, not swearing at each other, not looking down upon other people, not talking about our ethnicity and our regions and so on, but talking to fellow citizens respectively and decently, so that we enhance our Jubilee family and build a big party that is going to go into government and make Kenya proud.